Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the quick analysis tool. Let's get started. There are a lot of different ways to visualize data in Excel, but sometimes it's hard to know where to start. Luckily, the quick analysis tool offers a convenient way to browse through many of the different options so you can find a good visualization, even if you're not sure exactly what you want. First, select your data. And you should see this little button in the lower right corner of the selection. When you click it, it will show a menu of various features to analyze and visualize your data. And you can just hover over the different options to see a preview. So you can very quickly try out a variety of different visualization. If you find an option you like, you can click it to make it more permanent, although this step is optional. Now, what makes this feature really interesting is that these options will vary based on your data. In this example, Excel noticed that we had a column for the total, so it displayed that as a line chart to keep it separate from the monthly data. It's such a quick and easy feature to use. I recommend just diving in and seeing what it can tell you about your data. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.